Hello aviation knobheads, welcome to the channel. Thank you for viewing the latest video. This is going to be part 3 of my sort of around the world tour. Today I'm going from Miami International Airport to Denver International Airport in Colorado. So on the ground then at Miami International, I'll be given clearance to take off, just alter our altitude. You can see from the flight plan there in front of us that we're sort of taking off and doing a big swoop to the right and then flying sort of north-westerly direction. And because we're in the southern United States, I've got a lovely tipple in front of me. I've got a Southern Comfort and lemonade with ice. Set that airspeed then, that took quite a bit of effort. My fingers are sore now after that. Visual look outside then, straight ahead and up, quicker play around with the instruments, throttle up, park and brake off, and we will get moving. Squirming about all over the place, which I don't really understand because I've stopped using my Logitech rudder pedals and I've started using my Thrustmaster joystick to control my rudder, so I don't really get that. Why it's still happening, it must be something in the controls, but anyway, pull back, airborne, gear up, positive rate of climb, get the autopilot on.
American Tree 20 Heavy, contact Miami departure on 120.5.
There we go, we're up, next stop. Denver, Colorado.
120.5 for American Tree 20 Heavy. Miami departure American Tree 20 Heavy is passing 1,600 feet, climbing 8,000 feet.
American Tree 20 Heavy, Miami departure altimeter 30.10.
Now that we're up then and approaching them clouds, can I ask a favour guys? If you are new to the channel then subscribe and hit the like button, help me with the old algorithm thingy, and if you are a return viewer, hit the like anyway.
Continue to cross as planned.
So let's have a gander at the flight plan then, out of Miami and northwest over the Gulf of Mexico, over towards the Texas area, then across in the direction of the Rocky Mountains, and eventually coming to land at Denver, Colorado, in this part 3 of my worldwide adventure.
American Tree 20 Heavy, contact Miami Center.
Getting up towards 6,000 feet then into these clouds, and while we can't see jack shit, I thought I might as well explain why I'm drinking the Southern Comfort, you know, this New Orleans liqueur. It's almost Christmas time here in the UK, and Southern Comfort always reminds me of Christmas, purely because I have an uncle, my mum's brother, whose birthday's in November, and he used to always get bought Southern Comfort by his friends, and he never liked it, so for Christmas I'd get multiple bottles of it, so that's why Southern Comfort.
MSFS as planned.
Welcome back then, thanks for sticking about. If you didn't skip all that middle bit there, then you will know that that in front of us is Denver International Airport, and landing gear's down, we're prepped for landing. Localizers on, approach mode's on, but I don't think the glide slope's been picked up. Oh no, it has, yes, there it is. Just about 7,000 feet, so this airport's well above sea level. It's just up in front of us, and the lag should be coming up shortly.
American Tree 20 Heavy, wind 179er at 8. Clear to land runway tree 5 left.
Clear to land runway tree 5 left, American Tree 20 Heavy.
There's our clearance to land then, our shadow just on the ground there. Quite a lovely sight, I really like that. Airport stuff in front of us, gears down, flaps are set, airspeed to go down and control that with the throttle. Here comes the lag right on cue.
$500, $400, $300.
There we go then, I think we're over the worst of that lag. Just going to give us a little bit more power just to get us to the edge of this runway. Can't see any pappy lights, I don't know if it's whether just the daylight, I can't see them.
100,
Autopilot off.
60,
Brace for impact.
50,
Maybe not.
40, 30, 20, retard 5.
Oh, overall not bad, I'll take that. Yeah, I'll take that. Right, thanks for watching guys. It really does mean a lot to me. It would mean an awful lot more if you'd like and subscribe. Part 5 of my worldwide adventures coming up next, when I'll be going from this very airport, Denver, Colorado, over to LAX in California. Hope to see you then guys, thank you very much.
American Tree 20 Heavy, contact ground on 127.5.
127.5.